the Style Hobbyist. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to share with you tips and tricks in real estate as well as interior styling. But for today, I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom unit here in Azure Urban Resort Residences.
Hey, DJ, I like the melody, but I gotta move my body. Oh, oh, I gotta shake it on the floor. One where the bass goes, boom, 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 boom.
It's 49.56 square meters. It has a huge balcony, and the layout is quite unique compared to other condos out there. Ang unit natin is also tropical glam. So if you remember the previous episode from this one, it's also tropical glam, but this has a different color scheme. So this one is shades of blue, primarily white, and with some greens in between. So when I started styling for this 2-bedroom unit, I thought of a young family. So it's a young couple with a young son or daughter. First of all, in the living area, what did I have to work with? So similar to the 1-bedroom unit I had before, it also came with existing furniture pieces. So for the fully fitted package, it had the two-seater white sofa, 4-seater dining table with chairs, 2 bed frames, one for the master bedroom and one for the kids' room. And then it also had the existing white kitchen cabinets, some appliances, and of course closets. Since Azure is a beachfront oriented or beach-oriented development, a tropical theme would be very fitting for this kind of base design. So what I did is I started with the wallpaper. So this one I chose a tropical wallpaper in shades of light blue, beige, and silver. And then after that, I repainted the walls in beryl pearl pala from Boysen. So that's around the walls. And then for the living room, with the 2-seater white sofa, I added a huge mirror with silver details around the frame behind it. When you put a huge mirror, it's nice if it's just nakasandal, if it's not hung, especially if the walls aren't all concrete. So that's behind the sofa. So that large mirror creates an optical illusion of a bigger space. It also acts as your functional mirror before you head out or you step out of your condo. In front of the mirror, I added some nice throw pillows with shades of beige, white, silver, and a light blue throw on top of it. And then in front of it, I also added some chrome accessories. And on the left side, you'll see a coffee table with chrome or silver accessories as well. For the dining area, I chose a set of white plates with bowls and small plates with silver trim. Another set of silver spoon and fork with knives, and then light blue table napkins, wine glasses, and then candle holders in chrome finish as well. And then on top of the dining table is a nice chandelier. So sometimes I get questions, can we get a chandelier even if the space is small? Actually, you can. The rule is when you put a chandelier, make sure that the space between the dining table and the chandelier has a minimum vertical clearance of 30 inches. Minimum yun ah. So between 30 to 32 or 33 inches in clearance. When you add the chandelier, it immediately adds a glamorous touch in a space. And this one, you'd be surprised, I got this from Mandaue at less than 5,000 pesos. Ta-da! Mukha siyang mahal, but it's not really expensive. So onto the kitchen. It's a cute kitchen, as you can see, but I always put kitchen backsplash tiles for my projects because it adds a nice decor to the space. Also, it's very functional to protect your walls when you do your cooking as well as your washing. So this one is a mosaic tile set from CW Home Depot. And then in front of it, I added some accessories, these blue bottles and wine glasses. And also this fall flowers from Wilcon. So as you can see, there's an existing ref and microwave on top. This one, you have to remember when you live in a condo, in a wall socket or power source like this, may specific power assigned to the refrigerator and microwave. So behind the ref, they always provide that power source. So you have to check it with your property management if it's enough to sustain the power, but it's unsafe. So make sure that when you use the ref, the microwave is a different power source. Now on to the master bedroom. It's pretty cute in terms of space, but what I did is I added a cute wallpaper that's still aligned with the theme. If you still remember the wallpaper that I used for the one-bedroom unit, it's the same design but it's a different color scheme. So this one is more muted, light grays, beiges, and silver. And then the master bedroom has a double-sized bed. It's existing as well, so the frame is white. So with this, I added some blue duvet covers, blue pillows, white pillows, and silver throw pillows. And then what I also like to do in beds is I add a throw. True to its name, you just throw it. It makes the space look lived in. And then in front of the bed, you have this small table. Since wala na kasing space for a proper side table, but this is important if you want to work on your laptop or if you want to have coffee or read something. This one is a nice addition to your space. A side table that you can push underneath the bed. I also have this blue drapes. Parang yung master bedroom is a darker shade of blue in our whole color scheme. So mas mas pang-adult. And then this foldable table on the side. You can also add a stool over here, but this one works like magic. So it's a drop leaf table. Ta-da! So you already have a work table, which you can also eat at or do your makeup. Yeah. So you can even add a mirror over here, so this can also serve as your vanity. Lastly, don't forget, in a master bedroom, add a nice area rug for the space because it also adds a warm touch. Also kasi, di ba pag umaga, parang it's so cold, you don't wanna step on something too cold. Pag may area rug kayo, it's cozier all the time.
Now I'm going to show you the kids' room.
Remember this pineapple wallpaper over here, because in here, you'll see pineapples everywhere. So for this kids' bedroom, I didn't have a particular person in mind. So for this kids' room, I worked with the existing bed frame, which is also white. I added yellow pillows, turquoise blue beddings, and these cute pillows also from SM Home. Very inexpensive. Check it out. I didn't have to accessorize so much because pineapples are everywhere. This is a nice, inexpensive way to add character to a small space. Wallpaper is the shiz. I'm addicted to wallpaper. I also added this chrome bird because wala lang, cute siya. For the windows, since meron tayong blue and green on the wallpaper, I added a lime green set of drapes. For a kid's room, this is immediately a study table, a place where she can play her toys, drawings, whatever. It's so easy. If you're not using it, just fold it there. And then beside this, I also got this narrow bookshelf that I got online. It's wide, so you can put your toys, books, collectibles, even baby bottles if baby pa yung kid. And then on this wall, this is just a cute wall art. So like I said before, you don't always have to hang everything. Sometimes it's just nice, you know, resting on a wall like that. Yeah. So this is the whole kids' room. Then across it, outside is the balcony. For this unit kasi, the balcony is super long. It actually extends to the left side. I also added the fall grass to make it cozier as well. Alright, so that's about it for this 2-bedroom unit using a tropical glam theme in shades of blue, silver, and white here at Azure Urban Resort Residences. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to our new subscribers. Again, this has been Jules, the Style Hobbyist. Please follow me on Instagram at The Style Hobbyist. You can also reach out to me through Gmail, thestylehobbyist@gmail.com. Bye!